Alright guys, we are looking at the menu. Plancha, java, spicy beans, steak dinner, salad, grilled potatoes, roasted onions, nachos, Mexican taco, American taco, taco veggie all for $3, taco combo $14, tortas, not sure what's that, that's $12, burrito $12, of course quesadillas $10, steak dinner for $15, I think I have that, I'm not sure. Oh, hey, how are you doing? Alright, I just had a order of steak dinner. And it was like a carnitas, what it's called? You guys have the carnitas? You want a carnitas taco? Oh, yeah. Let's see what we have here. Oh, spoon. Oh, wow, this is hot. Very, very hot. Not sure what's this. Maybe some sort of bread, maybe? Oh, wow, look at this. The carnitas.
Guys, we are going to eat at a food truck right now, and it's gonna be it's not far from my house right now, so it's probably like 6 minutes drive, 5 minute drive to get over there, eating some authentic Mexican food. Oh, crap. Oh, shit, sorry.
In 800 feet, turn left onto Indianola Avenue. At the light, turn left onto Indianola Avenue. In a quarter mile, turn right. Take the second right, then you will arrive at your destination. Turn right onto Indianola Avenue, then turn right. Turn right, then you will arrive at your destination.
Right, we have arrived. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright guys, we are looking at the menu. Plancha, java, rice and beans. steak dinner, salad, grilled potatoes, roasted onions, nachos, Mexican taco, American taco, taco veggie all for $3, taco combo $14, tortas, not sure what's that, that's $12, burrito $12, of course quesadillas $10. Steak dinner for 15. I think I have that. I'm not sure.
What's up, man?
Oh, hey, how are you doing? Alright, I just had a order of steak dinner.
Steak dinner.
Yeah, and it was like a carnitas, what it's called? Do you guys have the carnitas?
You want a carnitas taco?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. How many?
We have one.
One carnitas taco. You like cilantro and onion?
Yeah. Do you have chicken or a steak?
What was it?
What would you guys have? A chicken or steak?
Oh, the carnitas is a type of meat. It's pork.
Pork or pork be fine, yeah.
So just steak dinner and then one carnitas taco.
Yeah.
Anything else?
No.
It will be 18.
Okay, let's see. I have churritos too for $3.
Yeah, I got orange, lime, pineapple, tamarind.
Apple? Be fine. Yeah.
It'll be 21. It'll be right out for you.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Shoot. Oh, can we sit on the chairs and eat?
Yeah, you can sit on there.
Oh, okay.
We have a table over here, and then we have more tables on the side over there too.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Want any spicier mouth sauce?
Excuse me?
Any spicier mouth sauce? You want to try both?
Just give it a little bit spicy, be fine, yeah.
Spicy?
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Alright, I'll be sitting over here. Let's see what we have here. Oh, spoon. Oh wow, this is hot. Very, very hot. Not sure what's this. Maybe some sort of bread, maybe. Okay. Oh wow, look at this. The carnitas. Wow. There's cilantro, pork. I think this is cucumber, lime on the side, some sort of beets, slices of them, some sort of slices of beets. Oh wow, this actually doesn't look too bad. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. Rice, beans, with cheese, steak, slices of steak, onion, there's avocado. Okay, not sure what's this. Some sort of it's a vegetable, but I'm not sure what kind of vegetable is this. Cannot wait to try this. Cornitos first. I mean, alright, I'll be grabbing some. Alright, I'll be grabbing some napkins real quick. Let's move the hot sauce to the side.
Sauce. Oh man, what is that noise? Oh man. It's like hammering. Oh, it's never mind. It's a car shop next to me. I don't know. I thought it was like the food truck was making noises. Very, hammering sound. Oh wow.
Wow. This is so tasty. Pour some lime in there. Put some lime in there. Squeeze some. Alright.
Best taco, huh?
Yeah. Wow, this is really good. Yeah, if you guys are, wondering, how I get to, how I, how do I, find this place is because, it's by accident, you know what I mean? I have no place to eat. I've been to so many restaurants, and yeah, I've been to so many restaurants and already eaten so many places. So that's how I got it. That's how I found this place. I've I just look up words on on Google Map and look for food truck, and that's how I found this place. This was the carnitas. All right. Yeah, if you guys were wondering why is my glasses changed from clear to dark. I have a transition glasses. It's gone when the sun hits my glasses, it goes dark. That's why it looks kind of weird and strange. Take care. Tomato. Slices of beef. Slices of pork. You get a little meat to it on top. Alright. Some onions. Alright. I'm kind of thirsty and have a superficiousness of this. Alright, let's pull this up. Alright, it looks like it's a little bit overloaded. You know, it's kind of falling up out of my burrito or taco. You know, I was looking, you know, on the internet. What is the top Mexican restaurant? Mexican food truck in Columbus, Ohio. This is like probably one of the top, you know, places, you know, for, you know, Mexican. So that's how I found this place. I think it was like top 3. Wow, very good. Wow, this is very good. Excellent. Oh. Tomatoes. I'm surprised there's some extra stuff here. More extras. Veggies.
steak is really soft.
It's actually kind of strange. I'm sitting by the truck, and there's the fan outside sticking out there. I've never had, you know, like an experience like this before, but pretty interesting. Alright guys, make sure to hit the like and subscribe for more of my food and travel videos, guys. If you guys want to, you know, check out more food and travel videos. Alright guys, time for me to clean up. Lots of napkins recently. The food was really good. Alright guys, this is Creators. Alright guys, I'll see everyone in the next video. Alright guys, if you guys want more info on this place and this link, I'll be putting a link below this video for you guys to check out. And here's the steak.